Hey Chargers, my name's Miss Scruggs and I'm going to be your 7th grade social studies teacher this year. I'm so excited that you guys are here for Meet the Teacher and I'm so sorry that I'm not able to be there today to meet all of you. I hope you have a wonderful time getting to meet the rest of your peers and your other teachers that you're going to have this year. We are so lucky that we get to help open Apex Friendship Middle School and be a part of this experience, and you guys get to be the first ones in the building as students. How awesome is that? A little bit about me. I am from Weddington, North Carolina, so right outside of Charlotte. I went to NC State University, so go Pack. I'm a huge Wolfpack fan and looking forward to meeting all of you guys. I love going to the beach in my spare time, getting to hang out with my friends and family. I love to read a good book and love learning about history, and I'm super excited about getting to share all of that information with you guys. I can't wait to meet you on the first day of school in just a couple of short weeks. Feel free to take something from my wish list that you can bring in my classroom the first week of school if you'd like to, and make sure you grab your handouts on the way out the door. Also, a huge shout out to Mr. Gore, who's there taking care of my classroom today. I hope you guys have a great time meeting everybody and enjoying all the different sessions that you're a part of today. Have an awesome day.